This is Kerastase Premier Repair Shampoo. And I got this because I live in an RV and the water anywhere we go is going to be terrible. So this is sulfate-free and it helps cleanse without stripping the hair, which I loved that about it. It has citric acid and glycolic acid in it. So it helps to remove the hard water buildup so my hair isn't bright red. And it helps really cleanse the hair. Also, they make a pre-shampoo to go along with this that you put it in your hair and you leave it on for like 5 minutes and then you shampoo regularly with this. So this has great ratings on Amazon. That's when I saw it, I thought this is really going to be good. And the gal that does my hair, she recommended that I try this. So I've been trying it probably for about 3 weeks. So I've only done it 3 times. You don't want to use it too much, but it does help with if your hair has been color treated, a lot of heat, hard water. This is a great shampoo that I've really liked. My hair has a tendency to turn that orange color, but this has really helped, with that, along with the pre-shampoo. But, if those are some things that you're concerned with, you might want to give this a try.